Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to extract contacts from PST files, then you're in the right place. There are many reasons why users need to extract contacts from PST files. You may want to create a backup, migrate contacts to another email client, import them into a CRM system, or recover contacts from an old Outlook account. The only tool that can help. Outlook PST Converter. This tool is specially designed for users who want accurate contact extraction without any technical complications. Features of Outlook PST Converter tool. You can extract Outlook contacts fast and securely. It does not require Microsoft Outlook installation. It maintains complete contact details and fields. You can also selectively extract only the contacts folder. This tool is ideal for business users, IT administrators, and individual users alike. Let's see how easy it is to extract contacts using this software. First, launch the software and click on Next. Then add the Outlook PST file into the tool. Select the Contacts folder and click Next. Choose vCard or CSV as the saving option from the list. Click on the Convert button to start the process. Now the software will automatically start extracting contacts from the PST file to CSV or vCard format. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful email migration and backup guides.